Hey, it's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and today I'm going to show you how to make my red Kool-Aid and Ciroc slushies. They are fantastic, I promise you. So it's really simple, and I'm kind of even ashamed to call it a recipe, but you know, hey, let's go for it. So into a blender, I'm going to throw in some ice. All right, now on top of the ice, I've got some red Kool-Aid. Now, you know where I'm from, red Kool-Aid could be cherry, it could be strawberry, it could be tropical punch. As long as it's red, that's all that matters. So I'm gonna put about a half packet of red Kool-Aid into the blender. Now, for the good stuff, all right, to even fortify the red flavor and to really sweeten this up some, I've got some grenadine that I'm gonna add into it as well. And now, the thing about Kool-Aid that makes it so delicious is you need to have a citrus balance to it. So I've got some limoncello, which is a lemon liqueur, that I'm gonna add into this. It's gonna be really good. All right, along with that, you know what? We might as well add some fresh squeezed lemon juice. So I've got a lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze like half of the lemon right into here. Be careful with the seeds. We don't wanna blend those up. Now, depending upon what kind of day you've had, you can add a little bit or a lot of our star ingredient, which is going to be the coconut Ciroc. I find that the coconut Ciroc and the flavors of our red Kool-Aid pair together so well, and they're really, really good. So a few shots of Ciroc are gonna go in. And it looks like I just need to add a little bit more ice right on top of that. And I'm just gonna give the whole thing a blitz and let it go. And just that quick, you have a red Kool-Aid and Ciroc slushie that is going to take you back to wonderful times. Look at this. Oh. Nice and smooth. Perfect. All we need is a straw, and I have one. There you go. Now, the full recipe for this is going to be at DariusCooks.tv.